Alright, this is the next phase where I'm at on this hydraulic forge. I just got a whole bunch of welding done. There's the ram. It should clear the garage. So we can roll it in and out. Next step, I got to drill and attach some bars and then strap it to the column. I need to make a mounting base, and then I need to start engineering the dies that go in and out, interchangeable dies. I got to cut a hole right here so the hydraulic hoses feed down to the tank. I need to cut another hole down here so the hoses from the ram ultimately go down through the table. I got to engineer a treadle so if right here we can operate up and down with the foot. And we'll have another hole where the bar is going to come up, strapped to the lever, up and down lever. Well, that's it for this video. Keep your eyes open for the next one.